If you're busy and gaining weight, this 1 hour will fix your entire week. I'm not bloody joking. 1 hour. You're going to take the chaos out of your kitchen and the guesswork out of your meals. Listen, you don't have time to keep playing roulette with drive-thrus and vending machines. You need a system. Something you can trust. That's why I'm here. No more guessing what to eat. No more fast food decisions. We're cooking 7 knockout Japanese high-protein dishes, enough to power your week, keep cravings smashed, and your waistline in check. I'll show you how to prep, portion, and pack bold, clean flavors, all while keeping it dead simple. You'll never look at meal prep the same way again. Roll up your sleeves, grab your chopping board, and let's get started. First up, wasabi soy chicken power bowl. Lean chicken breast, marinated in soy, ginger, honey, and a punchy wasabi kick. This bowl is pure power. Wasabi wakes up your taste buds and helps curb cravings. Slice chicken into strips, marinate, and let it soak. Cook brown rice for steady energy. Steam edamame and broccoli for protein and fiber. Sear chicken until golden. Layer rice, chicken, veggies, high protein. No nonsense. Stack in your fridge. Grab, reheat, done. This is how you meal prep like a champion. Next, we're diving into the sea. Tuna Tataki protein box. This one's lean, clean, and lightning fast to prep. Tuna is loaded with protein, nearly zero fat, and it cooks in seconds. You want that beautiful ruby red center. Don't overcook it or you'll ruin the whole thing. Get yourself a nice block of sashimi-grade tuna. Pat it dry, season with salt and cracked black pepper. Heat up a pan, smoking hot, just a splash of oil. Sear the tuna for 15 seconds on each side. That's it. Done. The inside stays rare. The outside gets that gorgeous crust. Slice it thin, like precious jewels. Now, let's make a simple ponzu dipping sauce. Soy, citrus, mirin, and a whisper of sesame oil. Add some grated daikon and scallion for bite. Assemble your box with a bed of greens, baby spinach, shredded cabbage, even some sliced radish. Lay the tuna slices on top, drizzle with that punchy ponzu. This box is pure high-octane protein. Perfect for fat loss. Perfect for speed. You prep several boxes, stack them up in minutes, and you're ready to go for the week. You want a lunch that fights cravings, keeps you sharp, and never leaves you sluggish? This is it. No more cheap sandwiches or greasy takeout, just clean fuel and bold flavor, prepped in less time than your morning commute. Let's get into something classic, egg and chicken Saburo bento. This is Japanese comfort food but reimagined for your protein needs. We're talking ground chicken, gently seasoned and fluffy scrambled eggs side by side over a bed of nutty brown rice. It's comforting, balanced, and powerful. Start with your ground chicken. Season it up with a bit of soy, a dash of sake, and a sprinkle of sugar, just enough to balance the savoriness. Cook it low and slow. Break it up with a spatula until it's crumbly and juicy. You don't want it dry, so keep an eye on it. Now, scramble your eggs. Soft, just set, not rubbery. A touch of mirin and a pinch of salt. The contrast between the eggs and chicken is everything. Silky against savory. Layer them over your rice, side by side, looking almost too pretty to eat. For a crunch, toss in blanched green beans or snap peas. Add a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds on top. This bento gives you protein from both the chicken and eggs, plus steady carbs to keep your energy level. No crashes, no cravings. Pack these bentos for busy days. You're not just eating food, you're feeding your metabolism. This balance keeps you burning, keeps you moving, and keeps you focused. No more afternoon slumps. Alright folks, let's dive into our plant-based powerhouse, the miso tofu and spinach protein bowl. You know, if you're looking for protein without the meat, this is definitely your go-to. Tofu, well, it's like a blank canvas, but with the right care, it soaks up flavor and transforms into something really spectacular. So, first things first, start by pressing your tofu. You want to get that excess water out, so it crisps up beautifully later. Cube it up, and then toss it with some white miso, a bit of soy sauce, and a drizzle of sesame oil. You want every side coated, trust me on this one. Now, you can bake or pan-sear it until it's golden and slightly chewy. While that's working, wilt some fresh spinach in a hot pan. Just a pinch of salt, a splash of soy. Don't overcook it, just enough to soften it up. Add a little grated carrot for some color and crunch. Then, it's time to assemble your bowls. Start with rice or quinoa at the base, a generous layer of spinach, and then those crisp miso tofu cubes. Top it all off with sliced scallion and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. This dish is like meal prep magic. You can batch a whole tray of tofu, enough for days, and it keeps perfectly. The protein is plant-based, but the satisfaction is all there. You'll feel full, light, and energized. No heavy, greasy feeling, just clean, sustained energy. Perfect for those days you need to reset and keep your system clean. Let's crank up the freshness. Garlic shiso chicken lettuce wraps. This one's for when you want to feel light, quick, and powerful. We're talking super lean chicken, loads of fresh herbs, and no heavy carbs weighing you down. Chop up your chicken breast into small pieces, almost like ground. Sauté it with minced garlic, finely chopped shiso leaves, and a splash of soy. The aroma is insane, herbal, garlicky, mouth-watering. While it cooks, get your lettuce ready. Crisp butter lettuce or romaine, washed and dried. Perfect little cups for your filling. Add a handful of shredded carrot, maybe some sliced cucumber. Spoon the hot chicken mixture into the lettuce cups. Top with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, maybe a squeeze of lime. Each bite is crunchy, savory, and so fresh you can feel it clearing your mind. These wraps are low-carb, high-protein, and perfect if you want to keep your energy high and your stomach light. Prep a tray, keep the fillings ready, and assemble in seconds for lunch or snack. Forget the bread, forget the heavy wraps. This is pure, clean eating. Big flavor, zero guilt. Time for the king of clean fats, salmon and daikon light bowl. This one's all about balance: omega-3 rich salmon, crunchy daikon, and just enough rice to keep you fueled. The combo is unbeatable for long-lasting energy and sharp focus. Start by prepping your salmon fillets. Season with salt and pepper, a touch of soy. Pan-sear or bake, either way, you want that crispy skin and tender, juicy flesh. Don't overcook it. Dry salmon is a crime. While the salmon cooks, slice daikon radish into thin matchsticks. Give them a quick soak in cold water, keeps them extra crisp. Add sliced cucumber, maybe a few shreds of carrot for color. Build your bowl, a scoop of rice, salmon fillet, then pile up the crisp daikon and veggies. Drizzle with a little yuzu or ponzu for a citrusy lift. Sprinkle with nori or sesame seeds if you like. This bowl is pure fuel. Clean protein, heart-healthy fats, and fresh crunch. You'll feel full, satisfied, and light on your feet, ready to tackle anything the day throws at you. Now, let's talk convenience. 5-day miso soup packs. No Japanese meal plan is complete without miso soup, and I'm showing you how to prep 5 in one go. Instant warmth, comfort, and protein anytime you need it. Start with good quality miso paste, some dried wakame seaweed, and dehydrated tofu cubes. Portion them into small containers, one for each day. Add a spoonful of miso, a pinch of wakame, a few tofu cubes, and a sprinkle of scallion. Seal them up. When you're hungry or need a snack, just tip one pack into a mug, pour over boiling water, stir, and you're done. Fresh miso soup in seconds. It's light, it's warm, and it'll keep you from reaching for junk. These packs are a lifesaver when you're rushing out the door or need something to tide you over. Batch them on Sunday, and you've got 5 days of instant comfort, no effort. This isn't just about saving time, it's about building a system that works even when life gets crazy. That's how you stay consistent, and consistency is what brings results. If your routine is making you gain weight, change the system. Stop fighting a losing battle with last-minute meals and junk temptations. Set yourself up for success with structure, flavor, and balance. The power is in your hands, right here in your kitchen. Pause. Start with 1 hour. Stay consistent. Let results follow. Commit to this meal prep for a week, and you'll see the difference, not just in your body, but in your confidence and energy. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just nail this hour, and let it build from there. Subscribe to Slimsync for more Japanese weight loss meal systems. We're here to give you real-world solutions, bold flavors, and the tools to eat well, feel great, and transform your routine for good. Now get in the kitchen and smash it.